anymore? I don't even know. What is up, guys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush. I know you guys haven't seen me in a minute, probably like 3 weeks now, and I feel like I kind of owe you guys an explanation as to why I haven't really been posting. First of all, I was on a vacation. I took like a 3.5 week vacation. It was much needed. I needed to kind of just get away, refresh, reset, you know, my mind, and just experience something new, change up my perspective. So it was definitely a wonderful trip. I had a blast. I had a very good time, and it did exactly what I needed to do, and that was to kind of just reset my mood and everything, and get me motivated again and fired up to get back to work and back to the grind. So I'm gonna throw up a few pictures from the trip. I just want to give a quick shout out to Rami, Ed, Ronnie, all the homies that were there for me along the way on this trip and made it such a awesome trip, such a good time. I love you guys, all of you, and thank you so much for your hospitality and for showing me a good time. I absolutely appreciate it. Now back to the channel. You know, we're coming up on the end of the year here, and you know, it's been a wild ride this year. It's definitely been a crazy ride. It's been a lot of fun. I added the Mustang to the channel this year in like the end of March, so that was like a big move, a big risk that I took by adding that car, and very blessed and thankful that it was a success. We got a lot of new subscribers, a lot of views, and the channel grew very well. This was the year that I left my job to pursue YouTube and other kind of business ventures, and I'm happy to say I've never been happier. So it's definitely been a very, very good year, and you know, a lot of successes. There was a few you know, a few things that happened that did hold us back a little bit and kind of knock us down, but we got right back up and continue to push forward, like my motorcycle accident and some other things I haven't really shared with you guys. But that's life, you know. You take the highs and you take the lows, and you just keep on riding on, continue on down the journey, and see where life takes you. So 2020 is approaching. It's going to be a crazy year for the channel. I'm going to go harder, and I'm ready to kind of reach new heights and reach new levels with you guys and bring you some crazier content, newer videos, and just really kind of step it up. So I don't want to bore you guys with too much, but I want to go ahead and show you my first day back. I was super excited to get the cars, you know, up and running, so you guys can enjoy that content. See, you know, my first day back after 3.5 weeks, I felt like a new person to these cars. It was crazy, you know, taking a trip away from your car and getting back to it, crazy feeling. So anyways, enjoy that first day of me getting back, and I'll catch you guys right here to end out the video. So here you go. I wanted to do the first startup with you guys. So the SRT has been sleeping away, so we're gonna go ahead and start her up. She was covered up, so she's still nice and clean. Here we go. First cold start. See how she sounds. Sounds pretty good. Definitely missed it. Pretty loud. I forgot how loud it's been. It's been 3 weeks, so I kind of got to forget that part of it. There she goes. She quiets down a little bit. Let her idle for a little bit. Alright, now time to check on this baby. Haven't seen her in a long time. Definitely missed the Mustang too. Check out how nice the SRT is, man. I love those front lights. This looks so mean. Love it. Alright, let's go ahead and start up the Mustang. This one's a little different. No cold starts with the remote on this one, since it's manual. Uh-oh. One more time. Whoop. Okay, battery's dead. We're gonna have to roll this one out. Uh-oh, that's no good. Put the window down, pop the hood. Ah, there we are. Should have probably left it on a battery tender, but I did not plan too well. guys, I got it set up here for the jump. There are my jumper cables. Let's see if she's got life. If she does turn on, we gotta take her for a drive. Alright, let's take a look. Come on, baby. Steering wheel. Okay, I'm gonna let her just charge up a little bit. She's so dead. Crazy. This is never a good idea to let your car die. No, it wasn't really the plan, but things happen, you know. Let's see how that Surfy's doing. A few revs. Okay. Come on, baby. Turn on. If you don't turn on, it's gonna be a hassle trying to put it back in the garage because I cannot do it by myself. Okay. Come on. Here we go. There we go. She lives. Opa. The car is up and running. Let's go ahead and see if I can still know how to drive manual. All right, here we go. All right, you guys ready? Oh my God, have I missed this so much? It feels so good to be in this car right now. You guys have no idea. Wow. Oh my God, I feel like I just bought the car. Wow. All right, guys, so we got the car out. It's running good, no problems, no check engine lights, nothing like that. It did sit for a minute, so that's the kind of sad part. I didn't want it to sit that long. I was hoping that you know, members of my family would start the car up, move it or something like that, but fortunately they got busy. Nobody really had the time to take care of the Mustang's needs, but I'm back now. We'll take care of it. I'm gonna have to do a long drive right now just to get the battery charged up again, since it did die. You know, it wasn't completely dead, but it was definitely didn't have enough juice to crank on, and that's not a good thing. So I'm gonna drive for a little bit, make sure that it's nice and recharged, and then after that, you know, the car will be back to normal. And catch up with you guys. Oh my God, I missed this so much. Oh, listen to that music, baby. Wow. There's a little bit of a tunnel. Holy hell, have I missed that music so much. I just missed this thing. And I'm sorry if I'm fangirling. I just really haven't been in a fast car in 3 weeks, so you can only imagine how I feel right now. I feel like I'm driving a Lamborghini.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. As you could tell there, the Mustang was not happy about being left in the garage for like 3 weeks. I did you know, have some plans for it to be like driven and moved around, but you know, things didn't work out fully, and I think part of it is because I had the Blackview camera hooked up, and that may have eaten up a little bit of the battery. Also the N gauge, I think it like pulls a little bit of battery, I'm not sure, but yeah, the battery died, but it's been back up and running and it works fine now, so hopefully we're good. We don't need a new battery. There's gonna be a few changes coming.
I am planning some stuff for the Mustang. You know, I want to continue down with the power mods and continue making that thing into like the race car that I envision it in my head. The SRT, I'll be making an announcement about this soon and what the plans are for the SRT moving forward. I know there's a lot of people very curious if I'm going to keep the SRT the way it is and change it up. What is going to be the move moving forward? So we'll discuss that in another video. But I just wanted to kind of get back here, my first video back. I know a lot of you guys probably won't even see this because it's nothing too crazy, too exciting, but I just figured I'd give you guys an explanation as to where I've been and what I've been doing. But I'm back now, ready to kind of crank out content. I will be adding a lot of new cool concepts to the channel that I thought of while on vacation. So there's some stuff that is in my mind that I want to go ahead and share with you guys. And one of them is bringing back the owner's perspective episodes. I know you guys really used to enjoy those. If you don't know what those are, it's pretty much where we sit with a owner and we go in depth, ask them questions, stuff like that. It's a pretty fun little kind of interview session, and you guys get to kind of see owners' thoughts and whatnot on their cars, and you know why they went the way they did with their build. So if you are interested in being part of the owner's perspective series, go ahead, hit me up on Instagram at RushShift. We can set it up. I will go ahead and film your car. We'll get some cool photos, stuff like that. It takes about an hour and a half when we do, kind of meet up. So it's nothing that's too crazy, but it's definitely pretty cool if you want to document your build and have something for your record. It's definitely a cool way to go about it. So anyways, thank you so much for checking out my first video back. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and you enjoy this channel, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. My name is Rush, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.